Brussels sprouts are a cool weather vegetable that grows mainly in fertile, organic rich garden soil along with sufficient drainage. The best tasting, most tender sprouts are full of important vitamins, minerals and other nutrients which are essential to remain fit and active. Let's take some more health benefits of Brussels sprouts. 1. Promotes healthy skin. Brussels sprouts are a wonderful source of vitamin C, the body's main water-soluble antioxidant. Vitamin C promotes immune function as well as the production of collagen, a protein that forms the ground substance of body structures including the skin, connective tissue, cartilage, and tendons. 2. Promotes digestive health. Including Brussels sprouts in your diet will certainly increase intake of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Dietary fiber helps to nurture the cells lining the walls of your colon, which encourages colon health. 3. Helps prevent cancer. A compound present in cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli and bok choy has powerful anti-cancer properties. Cancer-preventing compound sulforaphane is found adequately in Brussels, which could be major elements in the prevention of prostate and colon cancer. 4. Anti-aging benefits. Sufficient quantity of antioxidant as well as immune-boosting vitamin C is found in Brussels sprout. Vitamin C helps to protect the effects of sun exposure simply by reducing the damage caused by free radicals, smoke, a harmful byproduct of sunlight and pollution. 5. Helps prevent heart diseases. Brussels sprouts consist of vitamin C, K as well as many other essential antioxidants and minimal amount omega-3 fatty acids. All these vitamins, antioxidants and omega-3s work collectively to keep arteries clear from dangerous plaque buildup, fight high blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, increase blood flow and maintain strong, healthy blood vessel. 6. Improves brain function. Green vegetables like Brussels sprouts consists of many B vitamins like vitamin B6, which is also known as pyridoxine, which has shown beneficial in maintaining healthy brain functions. 7. Supports healthy pregnancy. Brussels sprouts consist of higher amount of vitamin B9, also called folate or folic acid. It is a naturally occurring B vitamin which is essential for the formation of red and white blood cells in bone marrow, essential for conversion of carbohydrate into energy and for production of RNA and DNA. Apart from that, sufficient amount of folate is required during infancy, adolescence and pregnancy. While pregnant, adequate folate is required to protect against miscarriage and neural tube defects in fetus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. To watch more videos, click subscribe button.